Today I'm going to be drawing Cross and Error. Oh my gosh, those eyes. Anywho, it's like really late right now, but I gave up on the eyes for a bit because I hated them. I think that the final product did come out like better than I thought it was, so I'm glad about that. Why is my voice so hoarse? Ugh. Feel like I'm dying. Okay. And my voice is cracking. Okay. I guess it's free for all for anything. I couldn't get Cross's head to look okay. I was very upset about that. I still feel regret. A lot of regret. And people are trying to sleep right now. So I have to be a bit more on the quiet side. This is originally designed to be an animation, just a tiny one, like goes back and forth. I'm gonna probably put the animated one as like the thing that you can look at for one of the chapters of the book. And maybe I'll let you guys like have somewhere where you can like keep it for yourselves. I think that's a nice idea.